Hi, I'm Tara from TurboTax. Preparing for final exams can be tough, but doing your taxes doesn't have to be. Here are some smart tips to get your taxes done painlessly this year. Did you know that with TurboTax you can import slips like your T4 and your T2202A from school directly from the CRA into your tax return? You'll save a ton of time and you don't have to worry about typos or missed amounts. To import your tax return, you're going to need to have your CRA My account set up. Setting up a CRA My account is easy. All you need is some basic personal info and your social insurance number to sign up online via the CRA's official website. Do it soon and you'll be ahead of the game come tax time. If you were a student last year too, your tax return might look a little bit different this year than it did last year. The good news story for students this year is that the tuition amount isn't limited to just college and university students anymore. It now includes occupational skills and other types of training that weren't previously considered. Your school will send you a T2202A slip, a TL11A slip, or provide you with an official tax receipt if you're eligible for the tuition amount. Unfortunately, the education and textbook amounts were eliminated for the 2017 tax year. But if you had unused amounts from last year's return, you can and should still carry them forward and use them on your 2017 return. Another popular credit for students is the public transit amount. Although this credit has also been discontinued, you can still claim the monthly passes you bought for travel between January and June of 2017. You don't need to submit your receipts when you submit your return, but you do need to keep them for your records in case the CRA asks to see them later. Did you use a student loan to help pay for school? While you can't deduct student loan payments from your tax return, you can deduct the interest on eligible student loans. Every little bit helps, right? And if you move more than 40 kilometers to be closer to school, you might be able to claim your moving expenses. You can only get this deduction by applying it against the tax you're required to pay on scholarships, bursaries, fellowships, prizes, and research grants. Moving expenses can include a lot of different things, like travel to your new place and the cost of updating your driver's license. So tracking down all those receipts could really pay off. And if you're like most students, you're not making a lot of money because school is your big focus. So choose a free tax solution this year and save your money for some more important things. The TurboTax Online Free Edition includes everything you need to file your taxes, and it's 100% free of charge. It's great for straightforward returns and includes that autofill My Return feature that lets you import your tax data right from the CRA. Learn more about credits for students and lots more on our TurboTax blog at turbotax.ca/tips.